CM Panchal, exercise number 74. A tree serves man from birth to death, from one generation to another, and yet a tree has the least importance in the schemes of man, especially the so-called modern man who only thinks in terms of an air-conditioned home, artificial lights, fast jet travel, and many other synthetic convenience and comforts. Para. For him, a tree has no meaning. It is rather a nuisance for him. It mars the naked beauty of the glass and concrete frontage of his house. It spoils his horn when in autumn the leaves are shed, and it invites birds in the spring who spoil the crystal clear plate glass of the windows, sunshades, and every other possible porch with their droppings. Para. He is untouched by the nature. He is unconcerned with the fact that the mango, the apple, the pear, and the plum, which he realized so much are the gift of trees, that the beautifully designed bed he sleeps on is made of wood, and of course he does not understand in this age of air conditioner and exhaust fans the necessity of foliage on this earth to keep the element goods, the atmosphere clean, and most important of all, the vital economic balance on which the existence of man, beast, and vegetation depends. Such a man will realize the importance of trees if he were to walk through the countryside on a sunny day or motor drawn a treeless road. Over.